Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the reason why your natural twists aren't bouncing or looking attractive as you would want them. So stay tuned. Okay guys, the main reason why your natural twists aren't looking like what you have on the screen is simply because you do not twist with the right products. Or better still, you do not use the right products the right way. Okay, I know some of you use this, but how often do you use this? Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be showing you the right way to use your eco style out here before using them for your natural twist. So, don't you go nowhere. Welcome back, guys. First off, before twisting your natural hair, ensure you wet the hair with water. Like that is very important. And this is done by mixing the gel with water, as you can see on the screen. Meanwhile, be mindful of the quantity of water you add. So when the gel is ready, you just apply a little to your section hair and twist it the way. Then, if you want to give your natural twist that firm and dread-like look, just apply your styling mousse after twisting. So guys, that will be all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you and bye.